are anything like me was trying to figure out how do I do the mullet. I want to get it done, but I don't want to pay the price of a professional doing it. So I'm going to try it myself. That is me. It's giving what it needs to give, honey. Do you see me? So I will say next time I would get human hair because I know the process. I know it's going to look right. I know it's going to suit me. This is human and this is Yaki. 100% human, but you know how they do. What's up, beautiful people? If we haven't met yet, my name is Essence Regine. I create content about beauty, lifestyle, and real estate. And today we are on a beauty tip, as you can see. If you're interested in the mullet, then stay tuned because this video is definitely for you. I went to the hair store, grabbed the products, I recorded it for you. In this video, I will walk you through step by step on how I achieved this look. And it's giving what it needs to give. Just trying it out, make sure I was going to like it. And I do like it. I love it, actually. It's giving that girl. Like, it's giving business in the front, party in the back. I saved myself $250 because this was like 48 bucks. And I'll tag everything below. But yeah. And now let's get into prep, making sure your edges are back. These are the products that I use. Lay your hair down with your gel, mold it down with the wraps, and you just want to let this kind of air dry. I am going to spray some Got To Be on there, and then we really want it to air dry. Now here you see me using the glue as an outline so that I know where to lay my tracks. I actually saw this from another influencer, and I was like, oh, that's some money. And right there, I'm just measuring the hair. I was confused on if I should use the medium length or the longer length, so I did both because I didn't want to run out of hair. While doing the mullet, I pretty much add the bang, add the mullet part, and I continue until it meets in the middle. Now, I couldn't see anything in the back of my head. I'm not even going to hold you, so pray for me. And of course, my camera died, but the amount of cutting I did in this video did not do justice to how much I really cut off. I then went into the style, which I one curled the back and combed it out, and here you go. What it needs to give. And I've been out all day, so excuse me if my curls aren't curled as much because, like I said, it's Yaki. It's not human. So, but I feel like it's still giving what it needs to give. Let's give it up for y'all. Let me just say, I've been to a dog party. Come on, Cokie. Let's show them. My good sis, look, you made it on YouTube. She's tired. We've been at a party since 2 o'clock. It's like 7 o'clock. And she's been giving me the eye at that party like multiple times. So we're back home and I just wanted to end the video and show you what my hair looked like. I like it. Like, I want to try it with long hair, like 18 inches. Oh, baby. It's just gone. This style is gonna give me a run for my money, especially since I learned how to do it myself. It's over. It's over. But it gives me, like, I'm in the process of growing my hair out. So if you know, then I have had short hair for like 2, 3 years, 4 years. I don't know, I've been on and off with short hair. But now I've started growing my hair out since December. I had box braids, as you know in my previous videos. I've had box braids and my hair went from this long to this long. So I'm here for it. But I love short hair. So it's giving me best of both worlds. I have the short pixie in the front and party in the back. I did want to come out here and tell you, if you thought about the mullet, do not think again. Run. Front was about 20. The back was about 20. Then I got the glue and I got the wraps. So yeah. Under $50 for this. It was not perfect, but nobody knows what nobody knows. Do you understand what I'm saying? Well, comment the questions below. Like, subscribe. Share with your homegirl. Save it for later. You know the vibes. And I'll see you on the next one. I'm in love with this. It's giving party.